welcome back to my channel. It's Janelle, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make some DIY outdoor play food for your toddlers. I got this idea from my friend Emma, who I believe I've talked about before on this channel as well as on my Instagram before if you follow me there. But she is this amazing artist, has an amazing YouTube channel you need to go follow. I'm going to put her info down below. So she has more inspiration about this DIY, but she gave me the idea for this. It is just the greatest thing ever for outdoor play food. The other day, I went and collected some rocks for this DIY, and that's the best thing. This costs no money. You really only need the markers, which I will show you guys that I use, and also will link them down below. The outdoor play food is awesome because it can stay outside. It's not going to get ruined. These are the markers that I use for the DIY. I found them on Amazon, and I'll link them down below for you. There's 28 different colors in them, and I like that it's fine point, so it's really easy to do this DIY. And if you're thinking, I'm Janelle, I'm not an artist, I can't do this, I can't draw. Believe me, I cannot draw for the life of me, and somehow I did these designs, and these markers just are so easy to use because you're not using paint or a paintbrush. You're just basically coloring, and it's just so easy to do. And they're water-based, they're waterproof, non-toxic, and strong coverage. I practiced just on some paper ahead of time, just doing different designs to see how well it would work out, and I was actually kind of impressed with myself. I was like, wow, I can somehow make this look realistic. I did use Google a lot of the times for inspiration. I would look up, for example, if I wanted to do grapes, like on the back of this one, I would type in grapes cartoon image, and then I would get different images and just kind of copy and go off of that. And same with when I did a taco, I'd be like taco cartoon image and find that online. You can draw anything you want on the rocks. I stuck with very diner related food because I did a DIY diner makeover for Everly. So that is what we have outside playing with. So I wanted to make relatable food that would go with the diner, like ice cream, tacos, chicken, hamburgers, things that would be served in that type of atmosphere. So you can also do two side if you want. So for example, I did a Coke on one side, and then the other side I would do a drink like water. So I kind of kept it in the same food group in a way, if that makes sense. So like this, I have a vegetarian pizza, and then on the back I have a pepperoni pizza. Coffee to stay, coffee to go, fries to go, and fries to stay. Chocolate donut or a strawberry donut. 1 egg, 2 eggs. Strawberry ice cream, mint ice cream. Strawberry shake, chocolate shake. I found my rocks at a local beach, which you could do the same, or I'm sure there might be somewhere around your neighborhood that has a lot of rocks that you could go find. And what's great about it is that you could really get your kids involved in this part of the DIY. You can go to the beach, you can collect the rocks together, and I found finding ones that had flat surfaces were the best. And don't worry too much about finding ones for certain shapes. As you start coloring them and finding out what you wanted to draw, you just found shapes that kind of worked with it. Like for example, I found like a triangle one. I was like, oh, this is going to be perfect for my pizza. Or like more of a circle one for the hamburger, and then drumsticks. One tip Emma gave me, which I think made a huge difference with this project and coloring on the rocks, is outlining everything in black. It really made it pop more like an illustration. And I found until I did the black outline, I was like, this doesn't really look that great. But then somehow the black outline just made everything look better. So try that. And these markers are fantastic. I'm going to link them for you down below. Last but not least, when you're done painting, take all your rocks outside and do a clear sealant on top. I just picked up this spray paint at my local craft store, and it was only around $8 to $10, super affordable. And you just want to do a quick coat on top. Even though the markers say that they are waterproof, just for added protection, just do a clear coat, just in case of any fading over time. hope you guys like this DIY. Make sure you go follow Emma. I'm going to put all her information down below. She also has a tutorial video up about how to paint on the rocks, so she'll give you a lot of inspiration as well, and she's a fantastic artist. She has really cool stuff coming up, so make sure you go follow her for all of that. And as always, thank you so much for watching my channel. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as I'm back every week with more videos. And as always, if you try this DIY, make sure you send me a photo. You can send it to me on my Instagram, as I'd love to see it and share with everybody else. So definitely let me know if you're trying this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.